Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another Ipsy Glam bag unbagging. So let's go ahead and jump right in. As always, it does come in this magenta bubble wrap mailer. This month's glam bag is this blue color and it has black hearts, has a gold zipper, and then the pattern just continues on both sides. So the information card for this month, it has like a theme of texting, social media, and it just says happy Friendsgiving, say what you're thankful for in 5 emojis and go. And the person puts like a family, shoes, pizza, a rainy umbrella, and then lipstick, and then the friend replies lipstick, coffee, love, like a arrow with a heart through it, and chocolate. And then they said that's only 4, and they said there's no emoji for highlighter, and then they sent a bunch of laughing emojis. And then on the back it says this month we're feeling #blessed for so many reasons, like pumpkin spice lattes, besties, puppies, and pizza, but most of all we're thankful for our awesome Ipsters like you. So here's some perks to make your month even more glam, and then it just gives you details on how to maximize the most of your Ipsy Glam bag. So the first thing this month is this Bubble Tea Cosmetics hand cream in Moroccan mint tea. As a nursing student, I would just like to say that you can never have enough hand lotion. So I keep stuff like this in my book bag. I keep it in my glove compartment because a lot of times I will be running out of the house in the morning and see that my hands are ashy. This is something that's going to go in my clinical bag because I wash my hands so much in clinical. You can only use hand sanitizer so many times. So this is really nice. I'm starting my externship, so I'm going to be in the hospital even more. Overall, it's just very good to have hand lotion as a nursing student or anybody who works in the hospital. And it says this is the Moroccan Mint Tea Reviving Hand Cream. It has refreshing peppermint infused with white jasmine and sweet spearmint. It enhances your senses to energize and revive. It is infused with tea essential oils. So yeah, this just smells like peppermint. It's not an offensive smell. It's not too strong. It feels good on the hands. It's not like a thick paste, but it's not watery. Next, I have this eyeshadow from Helios, and this is the eyeshadow, and it comes in either the shade Pinkies Up or Only Fly In First. And I got the shade I Only Fly In First. Ooh, this is smooth. Look at that. That is so pretty. This pretty purpley clump. It matches my sweater. I can't even talk. It's a purpley plum, purple color. It's so pretty. I love it. This would be like a really pretty New Year's look. Oh my goodness. I love, purple is my favorite color. So this is my love language. And on the packaging, it did say that this is a cream to powder eyeshadow. Next up, I have this from Purlisse. This is the Perfect Glow BB Cream in SPF 30. And it comes in different shades. It says that this is for all skin types, even sensitive skin. So definitely, I've used some Purlisse products and they do work well for my skin. However, this is looking a little light. Like it's not gonna do anything for me. If this is a preview of the shade, this isn't gonna do anything for me because BB cream, yeah, no, this is not gonna work for me. We're gonna swatch this on the back of my hand. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I mean, it's still a little light, but it's darker than what I had envisioned. And on camera, it's showing up lighter than it is in person. In person, yeah, in person it looks darker, but on camera it's picking up, it's like kind of gray. Next up, I have this lipstick from Huda Beauty. This is a lip strobe and it comes in different shades. I was sent the shade Foxy. I'm already a little skeptical about this because I do not like metallic lipsticks at all. I feel like they look very, very clownish on me, but we're gonna swatch it because I've never tried any of Huda Beauty's any of her products actually. I was about to say lip products, but I haven't tried any of Huda Beauty's products. So this is a glossy texture. And just to show you guys, this is what the packaging looks like outside of the box. So the shade can be described as like this melted copper lip gloss. And then finally from the Balm Cosmetics, I have this highlighter, and this is the Bonnie DEW-MANIZER. This is a liquid highlighter and an all over illuminator, so you can definitely mix this into your foundation and then just have that added glow, especially in these dry months. It has this doe foot applicator. And then swatched on the back of my hand, that is like definitely glistening like chocolate glazed donut, like super shiny, super gold, like whoa. in your face, like I'm glowing, I'm beaming. So definitely a little bit goes a long way, because you guys can see that, like that looks like a sheet of gold, like I glued some gold foiling to my hand. That is bright. So you guys, that is all that I have for you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys got the Ipsy Glam bag this month, let me know what you got in your glam bag. If there are any tutorials or first impressions that you guys want to see, definitely let me know down in the comment section down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.